We've got a bit on today. First up, we're going to meet up with Adrian and James. We're going to go run a tag team, brothers versus brothers.
Let's run it!
Now we're going to head over to Union Heights.
Pump it, SoreHeads!
Cheers, ladies.
Fuck, who's that?
Alrighty, SoreHeads. We're just about to head out into the city for day 3, hunting for a fade here in Melbourne. We've got a bit on today. First up, we're going to meet up with Adrian and James, a couple of twin brothers that have just opened up a pasta bar in the city here. We're going to go run a tag team, brothers versus brothers, in the middle of the pasta bar and show these boys how it's fucking done.
After that, we're going to go to Union Heights, a graffiti store. They've thrown up a bit of a SoreHeads tag apparently, so we'll go and check that one out.
Full SoreHeads piece. It's not just a tag. Full piece. We're going to go run the fade, me and Jock in front of it. Anyway, we've got some other stuff planned as well, but yeah, let's go get stuck into it, boys.
SoreHeads will be driving a whip like that one day, bro. Won't we?
Alright, pulled up. We just hopped out here at Carnegie Station. Go find this Saucy pasta bar. Bit of a chiller spot. Here it is, look. Here it is. Check this out, boys. The pasta bar. Let's go and suss it. Smells good. Oh, that smells good. Go. How you going, bro? Sam. Nice to meet you, bro.
Brothers?
Yeah.
Oh, nice, bro. How you finding Melbourne?
Good, bro. It's a different joint, mate.
First time being here, isn't it?
First time, yeah.
Yeah.
Content up and shit,
Nice,
mate.
bro.
Yeah. Hey, bro. How are you? Nice to meet you, man.
But yeah, bro, so this is our
Sick,
shop
bro.
member, yeah.
Fucking smells good.
Oh, bro, you have to get a feed after.
Yeah,
It's
clean that.
anyway.
Clean that.
We've been called out by the most hated man from maths and his twin brother. So we've turned up to the Saucy pasta bar. Let's run it.
But every now and again you get hit hard, bro. You got spar.
No, that was perfect. That was
Okay,
good.
that's good. That was good.
Yeah, what's your go-to?
You got the mine's pesto. Carbonara is the best, bro.
Carbonara, I'll go carbonara.
Carbonara. You got what do you want, bro? You got seafood? Yeah, that's one of the best ones.
Yeah, I think I'll go that way.
You got a beer one?
You want Cheeto oil or anything? Cheeto oil? I'm right.
That boys. All right, so the boys have hooked us up with some gun pasta here at Saucy. Jock got the pesto. Jock got the pesto. I got the OG carbonara. Ruthless got the vodka. Let's rip into it, try it, see what it's like.
That, boys.
Pesto. You want some cheese?
Bro. That pesto one's off its tits.
How good's the pasta?
Yeah. Fresh, eh?
Yeah. Perfectly al dente. Al dente. Is that how you can say it? Perfectly al dente. Pasta. The vodka. Vodka. Vod diesel like. That's perfect. The homemade pasta. That's so good. Yeah, it's good.
Oh, bro, the carbonara.
That's mad too. No wonder everyone's hating on them. They can fight, good looking blokes, and they've got mad pasta. I'd be hating too. There you go, guys. We caught a fucking tag team fade at the Saucy Pasta Bar. Met up with the boys, absolute legends.
Yeah.
Now we're going to head over to Union Heights. It's a little graph store here in Melbourne. Apparently they've thrown up a mad SoreHeads piece, so we want to go and check it out. Maybe run the fade there. Let's go.
Belly full of pasta.
Yeah, I don't know about that. We'll see how we go. All right, SoreHeads. We're in South Yarra now. We're going to head up to Union Heights. It's a graph shop. We're going to go check this SoreHeads piece out. So let's go and say hello. Hi bro, Sam. Nice to meet you, man.
We've been around for 10 years now. Yeah.
So OG.
Shop downstairs, upstairs we've got like an event gallery space.
Mad.
Where we do like, you know, obviously like art exhibitions, book launches, heaps of shit, live gigs. And then we've got like the courtyard out the back, which is really handy when we run events. People just hang out the back and chill. Property can be repaired. People sometimes can't, and that's the big issue in life. Seen and heard a lot of stories, a lot of fallen riders, you know, a lot of tragedies, a lot of wins as well. You know, a lot of people doing really good things for the community. So,
awesome, man.
Yeah,
sick.
That's awesome.
Wow, bro. Look at that.
That's off its
Sick, man. Sick, bro.
SoreHeads.
That's mad.
That's off its head.
Yeah. Old mate from in the shop painted that one up.
He painted it, did he? Legend.
Yeah.
Very good.
Pump it, SoreHeads!
Thanks very much.
Cheers.
Thanks, mate. Nice to meet you.
Yeah. And he's a different demographic too.
That's right, yeah.
He's all close, like all you graph artists all know each other and that. Enjoy the rest of your time in Melbourne. Thanks. See ya.
There you go, guys. Union Heights, what absolute legends. Taught us a little bit about the graph scene here in Melbourne. They showed us the awesome piece they threw up, and me and Jock got to exchange a few punches and have a bit of fun. We're going to go have a beer and fucking plan the next little stage of the journey. Let's go. The Northerns?
Oh, the Carlton. Oh, the Carlton.
Yeah, we'll go 3 cartons, please.
Look at the Carlton set up to a mad one. Yeah.
3, yeah.
Why have you got these set up to this special one, bro?
It's tank beer, so it's on bias.
Oh, tank beer.
Does it taste different?
Liddy.
It does. It's fresher.
Oh, really?
It's
more expensive in Sydney, bro. It's a pint.
more expensive than
We
13.
paid $15 for a schooner in fucking... Cheers, ladies. Again, so we can get you on the YouTube.
Ooh.
Jeez. This is future Australian champion here, SoreHeads.
Georgie Matthews.
It's been a good fade hunt. The boys have been killing it. We just got a bit of education on the graph scene here. We fucking love. We're gonna start throwing up some pieces. Matter of fact, why don't you throw up a SoreHeads piece, Jocko?
Right here?
Yeah.
You want to film me?
Go on then.
Yeah.
SoreHeads.
Fuck, who's that?
What the fuck?
Pam the Bird's caught me capping his piece. Now we're going to run the fade. Pam fucked me up. I'm never doing graffiti again. Pump it, SoreHeads.
There you go, SoreHeads. Hell of a day, hell of an introduction to the Melbourne graph scene. We absolutely love it. Had the best time, met some absolute legends. That is day 3. We've got one more day hunting for a fade here in Melbourne, and then we're out.
Pump
Pump it, SoreHeads.
SoreHeads. Yeah.